Good morning, friends. This is Sanjay Agarwal. We are at the FICCI AI Conclave. This is about artificial intelligence. We have come of age, and today morning the Secretary Meti, Mr. S. Krishnan, was here, and we have a lot of panel discussions going on inside. We have this people. They are from Amrita. This is institute based out of Faridabad, Haryana. Welcome. Can you introduce yourself?
So myself Abhishek, we are in the Department of School of AI in Amrita Vishwavidyapitham.
How old is this institute? Your Faridabad Center.
Faridabad Center is only 3-4 years old.
Okay.
Its main center is in Amrita Vishwavidyapitham, Coimbatore.
Coimbatore.
It's very old institution, established in 1990s.
So what are the courses you are offering?
So we are offering currently BTech courses in AI.
Okay.
For the BTech courses,
BTech
for the and medical also.
All right. So what is your what do you call unique USP?
Our
Why
USP.
your students should come to your institute?
Our USP is that we are in close proximity with the Asia's largest hospital, which is Amrita Hospital.
Yes.
So whenever we build any tech solutions, we are directly collaborating with the doctors and getting their feedbacks and making changes itself. So we are working real time.
Real time. This course, which is the students are doing, we find some student researchers. How duration of the course and what do you teach in that course?
We teach mostly. We are focused mostly about the practical applications of AI, and the learnings which they learn. Currently, we are focused mostly on the healthcare and education. These two domains.
We see derma care and everything.
So students can then expand their knowledge to other sectors also.
अभी आप लोग ने कुछ ऐसा डेवलप किया है? Anything you've developed in the healthcare on AI? Can you talk about those projects?
So we have developed this MedSum application.
Okay.
This is Dharmamrita, and this is the MedSum application. This is our pet.
What is medicine?
This is our pet project. So this is the medical scribe application. So whatever conversation that we two are having, or that is the doctor and the patients are having, it directly converts their conversation into text. In a particular format, and also the doctor and patient can talk in different languages. Suppose you know English, I know Hindi, then also they two can talk.
So what is the device for this?
So we have developed the mobile application. So only thing is that we have to place the mobile, start the recording, and the app will.
Can this be used by the all generations in India and abroad?
Yes, it's a very easy to use.
Android and
Android app as well as iOS app and web application.
Subscription based or it is a free?
No. Currently we are on free mode.
Free mode. Okay.
So
and then you're talking about Derma. You can tell us. You can just take a picture.
So this app basically is for the dermatology department.
Right.
So this is more skincare. So it's more focused on chatbot interaction. So user can chat with the chatbot and access their skin conditions. And also its advanced version is Medimate. It's basically medicine reminder app for the patients, that when they have to take the medicine, it will remind them that this is your time to take the medicine now.
What about the placement? Getting a job. The students who are studying there. So what are your placement options?
We have excellent placement track records, and we have a placement cell in Coimbatore. So people coordinate.
Where are the students? What is the ratio of students, female, male?
I can say it's 40% girls to 40%
They
girls.
are from only which southern part of India?
No, it's from all over India.
All over India. You have hostel facilities.
We have hostel facilities also.
Would you like to share your fees also? Because there's a lot of
For fees and other details, you can visit us our website and have the contacts
What is
also.
the website you can tell us?
This is our website, amrita.edu.
Okay, very nice. And who is your principal here, director at the Faridabad Institute?
At where Mr. Kamal Bijlani is our dean.
He is the dean. What is his background? Okay, no issues.
No issues.
Problem. We have some researchers. We would like to get them. So please join us. Please come. Sir, welcome. Hello. What's your
welcome.
name? You can introduce yourself.
My name is Guyu Ashwinidhar. I am from South India, Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh.
Yeah.
Which place?
Kuppam.
Okay. So what you are doing here at Amrita?
I was an AI engineer.
AI engineer?
Yeah, in the Amrita School of AI as a research part.
Very good. Welcome to you. What's your name? Introduce
Myself Sovik Hui, and I'm also an AI engineer here in Amrita Viswavidyapeetham. So I'm from the West Bengal, and now I am working here in the research team.
Okay, good. So AI में there's this AI India conclave आज
Yeah.
जो हो रहा है इसमें आपने कोई अंदर सेशन अटेंड करा सुबह से?
Yeah, I have attended
So you can
section.
tell me what you have learned today.
Means I can have an brief idea how the AI is developing in India from past 2023 or 2015, how the AI is coming popular in India, and from this how the students want to learn and what way they need to learn and what the way they need to use and what way they need to develop the apps to
What you
give.
are planning? Are you planning to means develop something in AI?
Yeah.
Or you have developed already?
No, we have developed two apps, and we are
Which are the
same apps,
Same.
and we are developing other apps for AI for education and AI for agriculture. Some more. We are still in the progress.
Andhra, I think they've got a leap. You know, in Andhra,
Yeah.
if I find the entire, we talk about India, all the states put together. So Telangana, Andhra,
Andhra.
all these states, the students,
Yeah,
they are very innovative.
innovative.
Yeah, and even I think West Bengal, like he's there. I'm also born from Calcutta, so yeah, I'm born Bengali. Anyway,
Okay.
so now telling आपने भी कुछ इसमें सहयोग करा है नहीं
हाँ
development in this?
ये मेडसम जो ऐप चल रहा है उसमें हम लोग मतलब दोनों का
क्या
है।
contribute- आपने कैसे बनाया? How
तो
did you think of
एलएम
it?
आर्किटेक्चर एलएम का जो
उसको
फुल
कैसे आपने क्यों बनाया?
क्योंकि ये पहले से हॉस्पिटल में एक दिक्कत चल रहा था कि HIS जो हॉस्पिटल इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम है तो उसमें डॉक्टर्स लोगों को डायरेक्टली मैनुअली इनपुट करना पड़ता था कि कोर्स इन हॉस्पिटल मेडिकेशन पेशेंट का जो जो दिक्कत है वो सारे हैंड रिटन में हैंड टाइपिंग से इनपुट करना पड़ता है। तो अभी हम लोग जो किए है कि
Very intelligent medicine.
हाँ यस अभी जैसे हो रहा है कि पूरा प्रोसेस वॉइस में हो जाएगा फिर उनको खाली कुछ नहीं करना है डायरेक्ट डन
English में
बटन
आएगा? Everything. And so other languages also?
so
The
in Indian
transcript in only English or other
no
languages?
11 languages are
11
there
languages.
Indian
Very good.
11
Very good. We'll take a break. Can you pause? So friends, sorry for the interruption. We have Sumit Soni back with us. Sumit, introduce yourself.
Myself Sumit Soni. I am from School of AI, Amrita Hospital, Faridabad. I am working there as a software engineer, basically building the mobile apps and web apps.
आप कौन से स्टेट से हैं?
I am from Haryana itself.
You're from Haryana. Very good. ये जो है धरती पुत्र from Haryana. Very good. नहीं मैं I have traveled all over. I've been to Kerala and all. कोयम्बटूर नहीं गया हूँ मैं, but अमृता जो है उनका मैंने देखा है सारा. आपने क्यों ज्वाइन किया इधर?
Like they have a big campus, they have a huge opportunity.
In Faridabad?
It's in 133 acres.
Wow.
So they have building good innovating tech with the healthcare. So basically we have built the Dharma Amrita app, basically a medication reminder app.
Very good.
Okay, and the other app is the Medsum app, basically
मैं
helping.
यूज करूंगा, यूज कर सकते हैं ना हम लोग?
Yeah, you can use it. So basically helping doctors and making the healthcare easy for the patients.
You're in which year now? You start student or you passed out?
I am passed out.
Break session, and now you're coming to. You said that you want to go into technical education, higher education. So what are your plans?
I want to pursue my career in technical, as a software engineer only. Or later on, after 4-5 years, I will work as basically leading the team of multiple software engineers.
Very good. And you are planning to stay in India with the vision of the Prime Minister. The PM vision is Viksit Bharat 2047. उसमें उनका जो दामोदर जो पूरा उनका the focus है. PM says कि हमारा युवा जो है 30 to 40 एज में मतलब पूरा वर्ल्ड में सब यंगस्टर तो इंडिया में ही है. And there was when we were a student, 90s 80s में, तो उससे पहले my father was in US in 56, but he came back to India in 59. But there are a lot of people in the technical, I know so many of them. It's brain drain. And in Corona, वो भारत याद आया उनको कि चलो कोई हवाई जहाज हमें ले जाए, भारत ले जाए, किसी तरह से जान बच जाए, है ना, कैसे भी पहुंच जाए. अब मोदी जी जाते हैं उधर, हर हर मोदी के नारे होते हैं, लेकिन वो भारतवासी जो पर्सन ऑफ इंडियन ओरिजिन है, जहाँ एनआरआईज हैं, दे आर नॉट कमिंग टू इंडिया. Yesterday I was watching the television. Somebody was saying that India, the growth story, अगर हमें पहुंचना है ऊपर, 4 से ऊपर, देखिए 1 पे तो पहुंचना मुश्किल है. अमेरिका कहाँ जाएगा? America is a giant. It is like a mammoth elephant, giant tusker. We are like an ant, small ant, छोटा छोटा चल रहे. So आपका क्या विजन है? You want to go abroad or you want to stay in India?
Currently, I'm thinking of like staying in India only.
वेरी गुड. थोड़ा जोर से बोलना, आपको हरियाणा से लग नहीं रहा.
Okay, so
हरियाणा वाले कुश्ती में मेडल जीत रहे हैं.
so as of now, my plan is to stay in India only.
Very good. I am very happy that the youth of India is working under the PM guidance. So PM अगर ये इंटरव्यू देखेंगे, they will be very happy कि ब्रेन ड्रेन नहीं होगा. And आपको कुछ ऐड करना है? Come, you want to add?
I just want to add something,
Yeah.
that we are closely working with the Prime Minister's goal of inclusivity and sustainability. So we are ensuring that we are developing apps or whatever software solutions we have, tech solutions, is catered to the needs of women, children, and old age people also.
Okay. And भाषणी में आप कैसे कर रहे हैं?
That's why I'm telling.
भाषणी फिक्की का
That's why I'm telling that we have different solutions or OpenAI or LLM models that provide us the solutions, but we are using the Bhashini thing, that is a made in India solutions.
Yes.
For that. We could have used other solutions,
Right.
but we are firm with using Bhashini only.
So I think we'll end it at this, and I'll request you to shoot this video, please. You can just shoot this video. थोड़ा वॉल्यूम करना है हल्का सा.
Patient-centric dermatology app keeps treatment continuous and connected. Patients can scan prescriptions, set medication reminders, and upload photos.
So friends, as we brought you this is the AI India Conclave, and we have a lot of inside panel discussions, so we'll bring you all the panel discussions as well, and we would like you to give your comments in the comment box. We will just move on to sir, Mr. Mandeep Singh sir. Sir आइए, sir के ऊपर कर लेते हैं. Sir is also sir, you can introduce yourself. Sir is a faculty.
Sir, this is Mandeep Singh Khatri from Indraprastha Engineering College, Ghaziabad.
Sir,
Anything else, sir?
AI conclave में आप panels अंदर attend कर रहे थे.
Yeah.
So what do you think is the secretaries थे, Mr. Krishnan Meti से, और अभी there are people from all industries. तो क्या आपका take away है आज का?
Sir, actually they were talking about the AI impact and that how the people of India can be, or student it may be, or some worker or some different area people who can maybe know something about the AI, just like the people adopted the internet without knowing the detail of things. That
So
kind
AI
of
is not a threat.
it is not the threat, sir. It is not the threat. It is not the threat. It is, you can say it is the transition. Transition. Whenever you are going to go for any changes in the society, so this is the one of the changes.
So how do you feel when we are talking about Elon Musk, or we are talking about Facebook founder, we had Microsoft. So how do you feel that where do we scale up? हम लोग का इंडिया का, हम लोग को जो प्रधानमंत्री का विजन है 2047 विकसित भारत, तो हम लोग AI स्पेस में कहाँ पे होंगे उस समय?
सर, जो आपने नाम लिया ना, they are the too big.
Yes sir.
है ना, तो the things in that I think
टैलेंट तो इंडियंस का ही है ना वहाँ पे.
दिमाग है सर, AI है, और इसको अडॉप्ट करने के लिए लोगों के पास, हमारे पास इंटेलिजेंस भी है, ठीक है ना. डिपेंड कर रहा है कि हम अपनी यूआई को इंडिया के लोगों के बीच में कितना इजी तरीके से ले जा सकते हैं, जो ताकि उस चीज को जो समझ सके। फॉर एग्जांपल लेता हूँ सर, सिंपल सी बात है कि आज के 10 साल पहले या 12 साल पहले जियो ने एक स्कीम निकाली, फ्री इंटरनेट एंड लाइक दैट वन, परंतु गांव का आदमी ये नहीं समझता था कि वो है क्या, उसके फिजिकल क्या है, उसके कौन से लेयर्स हैं, हाउ इट इज गोइंग टू वर्क एंड सो ऑन, परंतु इट इज अडॉप्टेड बाय ऑल द पीपल। द सेम थिंग विल बी हैपन विद द एआई आल्सो। तो जो बड़े बड़े नाम लिए, दे आर द प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइडर ओनली, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द policy maker of the India or any country ki how they are going to promote. Other if they are not going to adopt this particular changes in the technology, or you can say general life, तो then obviously obsolete हो जाएगा।
Right. So coming to your institute in Ghaziabad, मोहन नगर में आपके students भी हैं, मेरी मुलाकात हुई। तो what are the streams you are offering there?
Sir, in Andhra Pradesh during college we are offering computer science, AIML, electronics communication, IT, data science, and AI branch also.
And what is the strength of your institute?
Sir, total institute right now approximately 5,000 students are there.
Okay, so you have hostel and
Yeah, we have the hostel.
right, and girl ratio and boys ratio.
It will be 60-40%, sir.
Girls are more.
More.
Very good, sir. So आपका I think we'll have to visit your institute.
Sure, sir, you are always welcome.
So we like to come. It is near which place?
It is a near, very, it is very near to Vaishali metro station.
Vishali Metro.